welcome to this special video. My husband went to Walmart and he went down the clearance aisle and he found some treasures and he brought them home to me. So I thought I would share them with you. So first of all, he found a good bit of yarn that was on sale. Normally the Red Heart Super Saver at our Walmart is $3.40 a skein. And so a good bit of this yarn, it looks like he got for $2. So this is just some white Red Heart Super Saver, medium weight for $2. And some blue, also for $2. Whoops, $2. And medium weight for. And I was really excited about this. 2 skeins of medium fine in the Red Heart Super Saver for $2. Because if you look right here, I have a bunch of that right there because my son that is a Marine wants me to make a sweater for him in this color. So with a little bit of extra, I'll be able to make something else because it's not going to take all that yarn to make a sweater. But I got a little extra because when I found that, we were actually at a Walmart down near Parris Island in South Carolina, and you know how it is when you buy a color, especially for a bigger project, you want to make sure you have enough. So now with these 2 extra skeins that he got for $2 a piece, I'll have a little extra and be able to make him something else, or maybe even 2 sweaters. This I'm very, very excited about. If you guys have been following me, you know that the hoodie that I made for my oldest son was in this Red Heart Super Saver ombre, and it is the colorway anthracite, and it worked up really gorgeous. And I had a little bit left over and I thought how pretty of a blanket that would be. Now I definitely know that I will make like a lap throw or something in this color because it works up so pretty. But these are normally like $7.44, $7.99 a skein, and he got it for $4. So on this it says it was $6.44. I know at Michael's and Joann's they're like $7.44. So, but still $4. And he got 3 of them. So there's 2 and 3. So I was very happy about that. Move these Walmart bags out the way. And he got a little bit more yarn that I'm really excited about. And these are the Super Saver Red Heart Jumbos. It's in the Patty Green, which is the same color that I used on my youngest son's hoodie that we did the tutorial on. But I'm even more excited about it because the hoodie is over with, but using it for Christmas projects. And so these are normally $6.44, and he got them for $4, those big skeins. So, and there was 3 of them. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So that was some really good deals on the yarn. And on this blue skein that he found, that'll come in good for the picture blanket that I am working on for 2021. And then you can never have enough white. So, and then a couple other things that he was able to find. He knows that I am looking for stuff for like backdrops to do like some of my pictures of my works in for my videos. And so he found some felt, and they were on sale for $2.93. I have no idea what they normally are, but he got some in green, and I love that bright yellow. So you'll see these eventually and some pictures coming up, but that'll make for some nice little backdrops. And there was a couple of other little things that I am not going to share because I'm going to use them as some of my giveaways. And then the last thing he got, I'm really excited about this, are these frozen blankets. And he got two just like this with the Olaf on them. And then he found, this is the other Olaf one, and then he found one with the whole gang on there. Let's see. And so what's exciting about this, because obviously it's not yarn, is there is another little knick-knack that I do with these kinds of blankets and give them away as gifts or sell, and they're a big hit. And so we will work on making one of these up, as I'm trying to describe, on a Fun Day Monday sometime this month in July. So stay tuned for doing something with these fuzzy soft blankets on our Fun Day Monday episodes. And that's all the goodies that he found, but I was so excited. I don't even have to be with him, and he knows. So he knows me well. I almost forgot the most important part of his little shopping trip. He got this whole big bag of polyfill on sale for $5.93. It says that he saved $3.95. So basically, he saved almost $4. All because it had a hole in it right here, but they put tape over it. So there's nothing wrong at all with this pack of polyfill. And so I was real excited about that because we're actually going to need some of this for our Wednesday on the Hook project that will be coming up, that I will tell you more about this coming Friday. So be sure and stay tuned. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations.